Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1990 solutions, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. Which of the following effects can be caused by the rise in temperature? A. Increase in MOSFET current. B. Increase in BJT current. C. Decrease in MOSFET current. D. Decrease in BJT current. If the temperature is increases, which out of these four options will be right? The correct answer for this one is increase in BJT current. BJT current will be increased. We will see the details now. We know that one for a semiconductor, as temperature increases, more number of covalent bonds will break. In case of semiconductor, as temperature increases, more number of covalent bonds will break. Assume that one, let delta is the number of covalent bonds going to be broken. So whenever one covalent bond breaks, at that time one electron hole pair created. So that if delta number of covalent bonds are broken, delta number of electron hole pairs will be created. That is, delta number of majority carriers, delta number of minority carriers are created. So this delta will be added to majority carriers as well as minority carriers. So the effective majority carriers is nothing but previous majority carriers plus delta. Effective minority carriers is nothing but previous minority carriers plus delta. Now the result is nothing. Now if you are looking at that one, but the rate of increase for majority carriers, that is majority carriers plus delta, this delta is same whether it is going to be adding to minority carriers or majority carriers, but majority carriers are large, so that the delta is going to be very small compared to the actual majority carriers. So the rate of increase in case of majority carriers is very small, it can be neglected. Whereas for minority carriers, they are in small number, so that even if you are adding a small amount of delta, that will be precious. So that we must consider the effect of increase in minority carriers. So effect of increase in temperature is going to be causing the increase in minority carriers, not the increase in majority carriers. The conclusion for this one is, for a semiconductor, as temperature increases, majority carriers remains almost constant, but minority carriers will increase. So from this conclusion, we are going to say the answer. BJT first. Bipolar junction transistor, as the name implies, it is bipolar device. Bipolar is nothing but it consisting of current is due to both types of polarities, electrons and holes. That is, one is majority carrier, the other is minority carrier, whether it is NPN or PNP. We know that one output current of BJT, that is collector current, is going to be depends both on majority and minority carriers, and the known equations for us are, for collector emitter configuration, IC is beta IB plus 1 plus beta times of IC naught, whereas for common base, IC is equal to minus alpha E plus IC naught. So IC naught is nothing but here reverse saturation current. This reverse saturation current is depends on temperature, because it is only depends on minority carriers. So for BJT, as temperature increases, number of minority carriers increases, that is reverse saturation current increases, so that IC is going to be increases from these two equations. So for a BJT, as temperature increases, output current increases, so it won't decrease. Next, MOSFET. What happens to MOSFET as temperature increases? MOSFET is a unipolar device. Unipolar is nothing but which is going with the current, output current is due to only one type of polarity. Always that polarity is going to be majority carrier polarity. So the drain current, output current in MOSFET is depends only on majority carriers, it doesn't depend on minority carriers. So from our conclusion, as temperature increases, only minority carriers increases, majority carriers remains almost same. So in case of MOSFET, current depends only on majority carriers, which doesn't depend on temperature. so that drain current almost constant even temperature increases. So the right answer for the question is, as temperature increases, BJT current is going to be increases. Thank you.